What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Blueprints on your PC. Now, if you buy games at Steam, it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. Now, the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now, what we need to do is locate this game on Steam first, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search up the game Blueprints. Now select the game, and after that scroll a little bit down, and then you will find this game currently with a temporary offer till the 20th of April for $26.99. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is open the link in the video description, and there you will find a link which says find game here. Click on that and you will be redirected to this page. Now the next step is to search up the same game, Blueprints, select it, and after that select games on the left side. Now sort by price lowest first, and then we need to search for a game which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. Of course, always search for the PC version, and once you have found one, select it. Now once you have selected the game, then you will find out that this game is already available from €13.80 instead of $26.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!